it is more important to actually tell their family to be very, very strong. You just cannot cry or whine in front of a patient. You need to be very strong around them. I was lucky that my father is a doctor, and he kept a very positive attitude.
Positive self-talk, that I do not have a single cancer cell in my body. That what helps you. Positive self-talk is what you need to do at other times also, not only when you're going through a treatment or any surgery or any treatment.
Now the government has started to do a little bit of an effort on this awareness program. I think if somebody gets detected with a lump in the breast, the next thing that the person asks is, what should I do and where should I go?
I was exercising every day. I was eating healthy.
I quit sugar like 4 years before I was diagnosed. By sugar, I mean all sorts of sodas, candies, dessert, you name it. I had one cheat day. Did get cancer, although there is no cancer history in both my maternal and paternal sides of the family. So that was a bummer, honestly, because I remember that very evening specifically. I was going through a very tough time in my life. I was going through a 10-year-long marriage separation. For my son, not for my family, not for anybody, for myself, because I'm someone who loves to live, who loves to enjoy life, accept it, adorn it.
Gratitude to everybody who has made this possible, especially the principal and the whole PLN team, and also our alumni team and marketing team. Thank you so much.